Is there maybe a way out of this through, something like Apheris for science in general? You think there's maybe some application there of AI, or the control and authentication of data, right, for science overall? Have you given that any thought at all?
Yeah, so I mean, that's a great question. I mean, what is generally the case with publications is that you have to also publish your source data of the analysis, or you at least have to make it available to the reviewers in the peer review process. And I mean, that can be a problem if the data is very sensitive or if it's confidential information of companies, right? So for pharmaceutical companies, some of their data is their crown jewels on particular molecular structures, protein structures, and everything. And so this is very sensitive data. But if this could be unlocked for research, I mean, that would be a huge opportunity to advance research. And those are actually also cases that we are working on where multiple pharmaceutical companies have this treasure trove of data, but I mean, they wouldn't normally make it available for research purposes. And so still there is an interest in getting access to the data and leveraging the latest insights from science on new model developments and everything together with this very sensitive data. And this is where our product can help launch these and run these experiments. So to run latest science AI models on this very sensitive proprietary data to get a model that can then be published while still protecting the proprietary data itself of the parties that contributed, and through an audit trail and a traceability of the whole process across the system. I mean, we can also provide the assurance that what is run is actually what is supposed to run, and also the data is the data that is supposed to be there. And so we can provide further evidence that this is actually the stuff that is supposed to happen and the stuff that is supposed to be there. And this can potentially help with building credibility towards peer review processes, that this is actually a legit thing to do.